I got my fuel center cap off my wheels. If it looks familiar to yours, or if the backside kind of looks familiar, I'm going to show you how to fix this issue right here. As you can see, it broke off. So when it broke, I only had this one right here holding my center cap on. I think it was close to like $100 each. That's crazy for just a piece of plastic. So I'm going to show you a quick way on how to fix this. So as you can see, all the way around, you have all the same ideas for the bolt to go through. So what you're going to need is just a drill bit, exactly the same size as what those holes are right here. So you're going to want to drill through just a little bit, not all the way. These here, I don't know if you can really see in there, but they're crimped. They're almost like melted in there to hold these little plastic fake looking ones in. So what you want to do is just get enough off them so that this will fall out. So let's try to get that out. I got one out. So what you're going to do, so I took this one, so right directly in line with it on the opposite side, I need this one out. So I got two of these out. Now I'll be able to use my bolts again. I want to actually put these buttons back in to the ones that are not going to be used. So what you're going to need next is just some, you can probably even use crazy glue or something like that, but I got some 5-minute epoxy here, and this is what I'm going to use on mine. So yeah, I'm just going to mix this up. Alright, so what you're going to do right here, I got my button in, I got my 5-minute epoxy all set, all mixed up. So I'm just going to put a bunch right on the back side of this. Don't be shy with it. Make sure you got enough. Really get lots on there. Nobody's going to see in there, right? There we go, that's one. Directly across from it, it's the second one. And just do the same thing. Put lots. So I got them both in right now. This one here is actually staying in place really well. This one here wants to kind of fall back out because the 5-minute epoxy is not setting up right away. If you're using crazy glue, I don't really know how I feel about crazy glue. You might lose it after a while, but anyway, this here, this one here wants to fall back out. So I just got my finger behind it, and I'm just going to hold it till it sets back up. But anyway, that's just a quick video on how to, just to show you, you don't need to buy a new center cap. Now I got this hole and this hole, so my center cap, it's going to be like basically new. And the reason I didn't put the epoxy on the outside, because you don't want a whole bunch of glue oozing out over your fake bolts. So at least on the inside, nobody's going to see it. It's in there. It's going to hold just as good. Yeah, save you some cash.